Okay guys, so here's a very basic tutorial on how to use Hetrolinks. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you need to log into your account. Once you do that, there's a website URL bar at the top of the page. Just enter the URL that you want scanned. So we'll go with golfing.com. Add project. And once you do that, it should just give you a pop-up. Yep, it says project added successfully and your scan has started here. So now all we need to do is wait for the website Hetrolinks to finish the scan, and once it finishes the scanning, we'll get back to what to do. As you can see, the website has finished crawling your website and it has completed the scan. Once the scan is completed, you'll also receive an email on your email ID, registered email ID, that the scan has been completed on Hetrolinks. So now we can go and take a look at the report. So as you can see, the website has finished crawling your website. So now the report is open and it will show you a number of statistics, including your site revenue score, which is based on all of these metrics present here. So now we will go through the number of features that you can use on Hetrolinks, starting with the product status. So the web page, Hetrolinks will list down all of the Amazon products that it has found on the website that you had entered, and you can just sort them by checking which products are available, which are unavailable, and which are turning a 404 status. So let's start with the 404. There are no 404 products on the web page that we have put in. All of these products that you can see are the ones that are available, and these are the products that are currently unavailable on the website. So obviously we would suggest changing those. You can also check the scanned links. It will show you the number of links found per page, per article. You can just click the plus icon and see all the links present, including the Amazon and the non-Amazon links. Also, here you have the page list. It will list down all the pages that Hetrolinks has scanned. You can simply click plus and you can see all the Amazon products, Amazon links it has found on those particular pages, including their availability or unavailability, of course. The next thing that you can do on Hetrolinks is sort your products by the affiliate IDs present on them. So as you can see, the drop down is showing two options right now. It's missing. These are all the links that are currently missing an affiliate ID. And the other option, which is HTR test 20. And you can clearly see that these products and these particular links have these affiliate ID tags. The last feature on Hetrolinks allows you to change any affiliate IDs that you want straight from our website without having to go through the hassle of changing each and every ID individually. So all you need to do is click on Fix Affiliate Tags, Existing Affiliate Tag. Let's select HTR Test 20 and let's just put in anything. Let's do HTR Test 19. But before we agree and start replacing, first let's have a look at the actual affiliate link so that we know that everything is in working condition. As you can see, I click the link, the tag shows HTR test 20. We'll just close this down. We'll go back to the report and we'll do agree and start replacing. It shows a pop-up that says your request to change modify affiliate tag is being processed. Should take about a few seconds, and now it's done. Request processed. Just click on cancel, go back to your web page, refresh. We'll go back to the same link, and as you can see, the test tag, the affiliate ID tag has been changed to HTR test 19. For this feature to work, of course, you'll need to connect your WordPress account right here. It will give you the button to connect WordPress, and we have all the instructions listed down here itself with a video tutorial as well on how to do the same. Once your WordPress is connected, fixing affiliate tags will not be a problem anymore. And with that, we've covered all the basics on how to use Hetrolinks. We really do hope that we end up helping you guys a lot, and stay tuned for more.